Well, doesn't look like I'll be going out on my bike anytime soon. It's not too bad, but I don't really want to chance it. I mean, one of my subscribers has just dislocated his arm falling off his bike. So, yeah. So what I'm going to do now is actually fix my dirt bike, which I've been meaning to do for quite a while now. And perfect weather for it, because I'm not going to be going on my bike today. Oh my god, guys, look at that. Look at that. No thank you. Woo. Right guys, I've got my bike here with me. I've just noticed something actually really annoying. I think I've got a flat. It's not good. It's not good. So I'm gonna have to pump that up and then hopefully it stays inflated, but we shall see. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm actually gonna strip all the plastics off and get it down to the bare metal and just lube it up a bit and give it a good tighten up and see where we're at with this bike, because I have neglected it quite a bit. The reason why I've done a video on this Sunday was purely because of the weather. I don't know if I'm going to be able to get out obviously on my road bike, so if all goes to hell then it's going to have to be this dirt bike, and that's what I'll be using through all weather. So just to warn you, if I can't get my road bike out tomorrow, it will be this bad boy, and then we'll try and start it up and get it all sorted out. I'm pretty confident that we can get it on the road again. But anyway guys, thanks for watching. I really do appreciate it. So if you haven't yet liked, then like. If you haven't yet subscribed, subscribe. And also if you haven't yet tapped that button, please tap that button, because it'll notify you of any videos coming up in the future. And I am absolutely boiling in here. Even though it's freezing outside, the heating is blaring. I just can't deal with this. Look at this guys. Just as I'm about to edit this video now, and it's just got really heavy now, and I'm guessing it's going to start sticking soon. Look at that.